Ever wonder how exactly HomeAdvisor is generating you calls? Well, maybe you love HomeAdvisor, maybe you hate them, but one thing is for sure, if you've tried them before, they're inconsistent. Sometimes they're producing good calls, other times they're not. And why is that? So what I wanted to do is hop into exactly why that is. So as we get in here, I just went ahead and I typed in appliance repair, Brookfield, CT. I'm up in Brookfield. We see a couple advertisers here. We know those are pay-per-click. That gets about 30% of the traffic. And then we see the map pack, which we also get about 50% of the traffic. And then just we scroll down to what we call the organic listings. We know that Yelp is getting some traffic, Yellow Pages, and of course our good friends at HomeAdvisor. So sometimes people click through the HomeAdvisor and they'll pop in their information here. Now we all know that we can't actually get to the number for the appliance repair guy through here. We know this is a fake number, what we call it a tracking number here, and we know we need to get a quote and go through there. Depending on what HomeAdvisor program, whether you're signed up for shared or you're signed up for exclusive, it can be a little different from there. So we know one thing, HomeAdvisor gets some calls from Google. The next thing that they do is they generate calls through appliance appointment. Now, if you're been in the industry for a long time, you know that HomeAdvisor actually owns appliance appointment. And so they put in their own, their own leads because they can. So, we have a couple people advertising here, but more so, if you call these guys, these are just HomeAdvisor fronts. You can tell by, this little text here. We partner with local companies to serve you. So you'd be just basically calling through. The third way that HomeAdvisor is getting calls, now this is a little ridiculous, good old Craigslist. Yeah, you ever wonder why you're getting such inconsistent calls? Is because they have partners with slightly different business names. HomeU's one of them. There's a couple other, and they're all on Craigslist. So, that's one of the biggest reasons you get some really inconsistent calls. The other thing is they advertise. They advertise a lot on TV. You'll see their ads, so on and so forth. But that's the biggest reason that you're getting terribly inconsistent calls. About a month ago, I actually went ahead and I clicked through and I acted like someone that needed some help just to figure out where these Craigslist ads actually went. Now I got transferred to one guy, to another guy, to another guy, and eventually I got transferred to HomeAdvisor. And then HomeAdvisor sent me this. They sent me this. They said I was matched for a kitchen remodel project. Now, obviously, the person who's selling HomeAdvisor that lead is totally making this up because I had my kitchen refrigerator needing to be repaired. But listen, if you're using HomeAdvisor and you're struggling for calls, then head on over, click on our link, watch our training, and we can deliver you consistent quality calls for a fraction of the price that the other guys are doing. So I'm Will with Appliance Repair Marketing Leads. I'm going to leave this link in the bottom. Check it out. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll talk to you soon.